And the race is on. Tiger Moon from the outside is Gallo. Di Arlo flying with you also. Moving up by the rally security check to grab the lead. Security check followed by Tiger Moon. Alongside is Gallo. Di Arlo running by the rally backyard. B-Boy in the middle. Inner class Gastambide is racing 6 running 7th position. Flying with you. Moscow Ballet number 6 speed spell and Lakota Creek is running at the tail of the field. Security check as they run the 3/4 mile distance, leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Tiger Moon, Backyard B-Boy down on the inside, and rushing up Gallo Di Arlo, inner class, racing paid by a length and half, rushing up by the speed spell alongside is Moscow Ballet, flying with Yugas Tambide, and Lakota Creek is still running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. At still Security Tech by a length and half. And moving up by the rail is Speed Spell alongside his inner class Moscow Ballet Tiger Moon. And Gaston Bide from the outside flying with you by the rail Gallo Di Arlo Lakota Creek and Backyard B-Boy is now running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Speed Spell leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Inner Class, and rushing up by the Tiger Moon down on the inside. Security check and rushing up Lakota Click Moscow Ballet Gastambide, and hitting the finish line number 6 Speed Spell, this time by some 4 lengths now, and finally is Speed Spell. Inner Class, Moscow Ballet, Tiger Moon, and Gastambide for your fan perfecta.